Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase Wallet app and wondering on how to add the private key on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the private key in the Coinbase app. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After that, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, tap onto the wallet option at the bottom just right here. Then here you can find the option of settings at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the manage all wallets option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to import a wallet just right here. To add the private key, tap onto the passkey option right here. Now you will see something like this. Now to add the private key, simply tap onto one of these, and after that you can proceed on adding the private key that you want to add. And that's it. This is how you can add the private key to the Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.